Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make photo collage on iPhone. No need to use third-party apps. So now I'm recently create this. So I'm just provide full guide. Don't skip my video. Go to your app library and search here to shortcut apps. And you need to just open this. Okay. And click on to gallery option. Then you get search option, search here to okay, just press on the plus option, need to add. Okay, now successfully add this, press on to cross, click on to library option. Now showing here to this option, just tap on, then showing here to select photo option. Okay, you just select photo, press on right mark. So look here, now create. If you need to customize anything, okay, and click on, showing it to two different ways: save to file or save to photo. Like select save to photo. Okay, close, and now I'm checking my photo gallery. So look here, now successfully create. So that's it.